We had to get down from the car. I just got back from market and I'm drinking some tea now with some kata biscuit. Let's go back home. So let's go back home. My mom and my brother, my sister, 3 of them, they're going to Guwahati. Yes, so I've already dropped them and now we're going to head back home. But I'm actually craving for something and I don't know what I'm craving for, but yes, let's just reached home and out of nowhere planning for Kapamodzü is going on. I mean, we've been planning for quite a long time, but वही है ना कि planning में ही चल रहा है सब. तो anyways, तो we have decided कि tomorrow रात में we'll move out around 11 or something like that. We'll move out because हम लोग को sunrise देखना है, so we are not going to sleep over. Zuko Valley, when we went to Zuko Valley, no, that time though we had to sleep over because trekking का 3-4 hours लग गया था, तो we had to stay for one night and then वापस आ गया था. But then Kapamodzü का, it's not, we called a few of our friends and all, so they were like, no, you can come back on the same day. So yes, we're planning कि कल रात में, tomorrow at night we'll move out and then सुबह by 4 o'clock, not 4, 5 o'clock like that, तो we'll reach. So we'll see the sunrise, जाके place we'll see and then we'll come back. But मम्मी को बताना पड़ेगा because वो लोग अभी जोड़ने में गए, तो she'll be like, क्या बकवास प्लानिंग बना रहे हो, कोई भी घर पे नहीं है. So we'll have to convince her because we will be going and coming back on the same day, so that's one good thing. So we could finally convince mom and now we're on our way to Kapamodzü.
Where are we going? Kapamodzü or what is it? I don't know. Let's go. Oh my gosh, can you? Go. The view is so much better up there. Gosh.
We had to get down from the car. This is the only sunrise.
It's good that we got off the train. Yes, sir.
Just telling to get up. Oh my God, just look at the sky.
So majestic.
Nukkuvi. Hello. So yes, seriously, if anyone is planning to visit Kapamodzü for the first time, ये वाला road में तो it's better to get down because even our car, you know, what got overloaded and ऊपर में जाने में difficulty हो रहा था.
Yes. This is a vlog.
Driver for the night.
Yup, it's already morning now.
Driver for the night.
Let's hope that
I don't really have to walk
the car doesn't get stuck now. Oh, I thought it's that side.
So after 10 minutes we reached this spot where we have to park the car here, and from here we have to trek a little bit, like for 10-15 minutes. That is a campsite, so we are going to trek till there.
Oh my god. Whoa, I'm happy. At least the sun should come out. Oh my god. Oh my FNG. Where is my phone? What is that?
My sister, she forgot her phone, so they went back to collect the phone. Coming back now only.
The driver. We're carrying all this pen and all to make breakfast. Heavy water, everything. That's what this top view. It's so. This view. So good. Water. Not give it seriously. Look, my cream.
We finally reached the campsite, and this is how it looks like.
And the view is so pretty. Some people they're sleeping over in the way they have tent, but we're not gonna sleep over.
So we carried most of the item with us. This burner, saucepan, oil, glass. We also carried fried chicken and fried fish and some eggs, also noodles and everything. So we're just waiting for the water to boil so that we can enjoy our breakfast.
We're finally in Kapamodzü. So beautiful flowers. Ah, what a view from the top. It's okay.
They also have a restaurant out here, so if you want to order your breakfast, lunch or dinner, they have everything.
Oh my god! Hey, this one is doing justice. Like that, go fast. I'm gonna run. One, two, three. Ah, so good. Wait, wait for us now, please. Oh my. Oh. Have to walk carefully. This is the tent. I think no one is staying at this tent. But these are all separate tent. For group 10 it's out there, and these are all separate tents. Just above me, heavy photo session is going on.
Woo! This is so pretty.
Heavy photo session with the Theos, no?
Also, in this restaurant, no outside food is allowed. And right now, I'm going to give you a quick tour of how the restaurant looks like from inside. And for registration, you have to come up here and get it done. It's 30 rupees per person. And they also serve both veg and non-veg meals.
This is the washroom. This is the way to the washroom. Oh, they have a shower as well.
So it's already around 1:30 p.m. and we are heading back to Dimapur. But before that, we quickly stopped by at Rhododendron Resort in Pesima, and my cousin brother is being such a tour guide. He's showing us around, and these are how the rooms looks like in the resort. It's a proper hut. Everyone is gonna have their own individual private space, which is good.
Yeah, it can swing.
Come, let's move then. We'll go to Central Plaza direct.
We've come in Kohima Central Plaza to grab some quick snacks and coffee. After this, we're gonna head directly to Dimapur.
It's my first time here in Central Plaza Kohima, and I've already ordered some rolls, but then I saw Manipur Thali where they're selling some sinju, and sinju is one of my favorites, so I ordered egg sinju. I really wanted to order for chicken sinju, but they don't have that.
These are the ingredients that is used for sinju.
I totally forgot to capture the part where we enjoyed eating the rolls, sinju and the coffee, but yep, after enjoying it, we explored the mall and this is what we came across.
Please do not touch. So pretty. This is done by Makenlanushi.
Okay guys, so we are heading back home in Dimapur and that's all for today. Thank you all for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next vlog. Bye.